Have you ever noticed that when you have a problem, you are there? You're participating in it. You're creating it. To use secret terms, you are attracting it. It's so easy to point fingers. It is so easy to say, it's not me, it's COVID, it's the authorities, it's the president, it's the terrorists, it's climate. If you really want to create your reality, you want to manifest some of the things you've been longing for in your life, you've got to take your power back. You've got to bring it back into yourself, into your awareness, into your field of choice. The limitations we're living from right now, we created in the past. We didn't create them today.
I hate this phrase, but I'm going to say it, to fake it until you make it. But with affirmations, and I started doing mine about 5 years ago. It took time, but I'm a big believer of them now. I started seeing some of them happen, or I started adopting the persona of someone that was those affirmations, and I saw real traction with it.
Use the affirmations to uncover the limiting blocks that are in the subconscious mind. I'm still broke. And I'm going, what's wrong? What's wrong with the book? What's wrong with me? What's missing? You have to get clear of the inner blocks in your subconscious before you can think and grow rich, or whatever it is that you're trying to achieve. This is huge, Brian. I don't even know how to get it across.